Welcome, in front of me is a SONY Xperia 1 Mark VII, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your hotspot. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and this will show you all the toggles that we have added, which one of those will be the hotspot. For me, it's right over here. Once you see it, hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. In here, I recommend starting off with the hotspot password, which is a randomly generated password. We're gonna get rid of it and set up our own password, which needs to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Click on OK, and we can close this up. Now let's turn it on by finding the toggle and just tapping on it. And your hotspot is now enabled, so you can connect to it with other devices. Once you're done with it, you will need to remember to turn it off. Actually, I don't think you actually need to remember it, as it will turn itself off, I think. Let's see. Yep, automatically, or turn off a hotspot automatically after 10 minutes. So yeah, it will turn itself off if it's not being used for about 10 minutes. But if you remember about it, you can do it yourself, as this will just save your battery just a tiny bit. Hotspot does consume a little bit more of your phone's battery when it's being enabled. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.